Now that we have Node downloaded, let's go ahead and bring up a command prompt and see if it's working okay. So I'm going to go to my search bar, and I have command prompt there, but if you don't have it, CMD will bring it up. There we go, command prompt. All right, now I got to check to see if node-v brings up a version. That way I know that Node is actually installed. And it is. I got version 18.13.0. They change quickly, so if yours isn't quite the same, that's fine. And then I'm going to get this npm. This is Node Package Manager. It comes with that Node.js download. I'm going to do a -v on that just to make sure my npm is working fine. And it is. I got a version back for that. Now, I need to install the Angular CLI. CLI means command line interface. So I can use my npm. I'll say npm install -g, that's for global install, at Angular/CLI. And you're going to get a little bit of feedback here. You're going to get a few warnings. Maybe something's going to be deprecated, things like that. Don't worry too much. There's a deprecated object. There's another one. And this is what we need, success. Do we have success? It says a 0 found. Let's see if there's success. We're going to do ng version. ng is the command we use for Angular stuff. And let's see what that brings us. We get this Angular CLI thing coming up. That's looking good. And there we go. Angular CLI 15.0.5. And then these Node versions and NPM versions will match the ones above. Now we can get started on our project.